What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So, are you searching for Zara discount codes in 2024? Because I was doing the exact same thing just a few hours ago, searching for promo codes for Zara to save some money off my next order. And I finally managed to find some Zara discount codes that you're definitely going to want to check out. And I'm creating this tutorial to help you do it. You're going to be able to get a $100 promo code that can be entered in the Zara basket or checkout, and it's going to remove the balance off your order. So you need to do this on your mobile phone, guys. So you can see I've got my iPhone and I've opened up the internet, and I'm going to go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So Top Dog Codes, guys, very important you go to this website because this is the ultimate coupon code website. Now, they have so many different pages, it's going to take you a while to find the Zara page. So you've got to go to the search bar at the top and just type in Zara. So Zara coupon codes and deals. Just navigate your way to this page on Top Dog Codes. Now you can see, guys, these are limited coupons. So there is a process to unlock your code, but it's well worth it considering how much money this is going to save you. So if you want the $100 Zara promo code, you would click on that. And you can see we need to unlock our personal code. This is obviously worth $100, so this prevents people from stealing all of the codes to make a profit from. So to unlock your code, you tap the button. Now, I'm not going to do this because I've already done this and I want to save these codes. But when this reaches the end, you're going to be greeted by a new screen, guys, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your Zara code. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to complete a couple of these simple tasks. Pretty self-explanatory when you actually see the page. Just make sure you follow all of the instructions for whatever 2 tasks you choose. But once you've done 2 of them, these stars will be removed and you have a full promo code that you can enter in the basket or at checkout, and it's going to remove $100 off your order. Alternatively, you can even get a 50% off code. So if you're going to do a large order, this one may work out better for you. So go to topdogcodes.com. Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.